Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to apply styles to tables. To change the table style, firstly, we click any cell in the table. On Table Design Tool tab, in Table Styles group, we click More button. In Table Styles Gallery, we may point to preview the table styles. When we click, the table styles applied. Firstly, we click any cell in the table. From Table Design Tool tab, in Table Styles group, we click More button. In the upper left corner of the light section, we click None thumbnail. The table formatting is cleared. Or, at the bottom of the menu, we may click Clear. The formatting is cleared. Firstly, we select the table. On Home tab, in Editing group, we click Clear Arrow button and click Clear Formats. The table formatting is cleared. Thanks for watching.